At Cooley Corp, we push the boundaries of construction. Welcome to the future, where 3D printing and robotics revolutionize building. Robotics in construction is revolutionizing the industry by enabling faster, safer, and more efficient building processes. Automated bricklayers and drones perform repetitive, hazardous tasks with precision and speed. This enhances worker safety and allows focus on complex creative tasks. Three-dimensional printing technology is transforming how we build structures. This innovative approach allows for complex architectural designs that were once impossible or too costly. By layering materials like concrete, we create custom shapes that are cost-effective and environmentally friendly. This method speeds up construction and allows for greater design flexibility. Printed structures are made with minimal waste, cutting down on material costs and environmental impact. The precision of 3D printing promotes sustainability in construction. 3D printing offers unprecedented speed and flexibility. Complex designs can be completed in days, opening up possibilities for construction innovation. Imagine entire neighborhoods built quickly with customized designs. This technology reduces labor costs and minimizes material waste, making it eco-friendly. The potential applications are vast, revolutionizing construction and urban development. Robotics and 3D printing promote sustainability by reducing waste and using energy-efficient processes, building a greener future. At Cooley Corp, we're integrating cutting-edge technology like 3D printing and robotics, ensuring faster delivery and higher quality. The future of construction is here. Cooley Corp, innovating today for a smarter, sustainable, better tomorrow.